everyone, and welcome to the Phenomenal Five. Thank you for watching today. As you can see, I'm back in the RV. I've been working on getting some renovations done, and a couple of things have been completed, and I thought I'd share that with you all. So we'll just go ahead and get started right with that. Okay, as you all can see, I have removed the dinette. I did sweep it up, but it's going to need to be mopped. I don't have a mop out here. I'm sorry, it is cold. I do have the furnace going, but it hasn't heated up yet. Underneath the seats were a really total mess. So, next phase is to move in the desk, the cat tree, and the print to go on the wall there over the mirror. So, everything's coming along. Well, we've got several things done with the RV this weekend. So I thought I would show you where we've gotten. Some of this is still a mess, I'm sorry, but I'll get it cleaned up. One thing I did is I have now got this rug down, and yes, I know it is filthy. Problem is I haven't brought the vacuum cleaner out, and just the broom isn't doing any good with it. Being dark blue really isn't helping any. And there you're looking at my mess. But I also got up my emergency coffee beans, because you know me and my coffee, I need that. So I've got that hung up there. I'm still packed from when I traveled. I haven't unpacked. I got my tools out. And yes, I brought the coffee out to make coffee while I was out here working. But as you can see, I have my print up and it fits, which is cool and wonderful. It looks like it may be a slightly not squared right now, but I'll work on that. And we have got the desk put in along with the other cat tree. As you can see, I left my coffee cup down there. I'm sorry, didn't mean to do that. Got my mom's horse. I said I knew I was taking that with me. The printer, the microphone. That little brown thing is my phone charger, and then my Nomad internet, which is sitting right there behind that. Using the internet. And then the cat, yeah, they have torn this cat tree apart, but they love it, and so it's coming along. And the only thing I don't like is I thought I might be able to get it in front of the window, but I'm not going to be able to. And then I've also installed an indoor-outdoor thermometer. So here it's showing that it is 35 degrees outside, 63 degrees inside the RV. I am only running a space heater at the moment. I am not running the furnace. But then I also decided to bring my candles in. I was not sure if I was going to bring them, and because I didn't know where I'd put them. Come on, there's the light. But I put 3 of them over there and 3 of them over there. Those are not secured yet. I will find a way to secure them. Probably put command strips underneath them to hold them in place. Yeah, they'll never be burnt, so I'm not worried about that. I just like them because they're really colorful and wonderful, you know, type of thing. Ran into, I've moved that rug down there. I'm going to have to get another rug about the same size. I have no slip things underneath them so they don't move. I'm not sure about that. That's masquerade mask I bought years ago, and I've just held on to it, but I can't figure out a way to hang it, so it probably won't be coming along. But anyway, I really love the way this turned out. Yeah, my chair. That chair is so cool. It actually vibrates in the back. The back has a vibrating thing. Not much, but it's there. So what we'll do is get back and showing you some more stuff later. Yep, we got some snow today. There's my car. It's kind of funny. I know it's dark out here. So I wonder. Sorry, I was trying to figure out a way to turn the light on for this camera, but I can't figure it out. Not a whole lot, but this is basically our first snow of the year. I know it's end of December, but for this area, it's usually not too good or too bad. Neighbors are all decorated over there. Neighbors across the street there have their tree off, so can't see it. But the neighbors over here, they really got their house all lit up. It's starting to look a lot like Christmas. So I guess we do have an emergency vehicle running over there. I'm sorry, that's the gas station. But this is pretty much what it's looking like today. But took Brutus out to play in the snow, but again, it's not deep enough and stuff for him to play with. So, oops, sorry. So we're gonna add a little bit more. Oh God, I am so glad I was able to get that in there. It's called, I can't remember now, like Silent Sentry or I'm gonna have to, it's on the back. I can't remember. I'll take a look and add it to here, and the artist name, which I don't remember at all. And it's a numbered print. Like I said, my friend who passed away left this to me in his will, and so it means a lot to me. So it's actually really good. I just remember the artist, reading about him, is that he goes out and takes photographs of endangered species and then comes home and paints them from the photographs. So it's actually quite nice. And I don't know if I got a good close-up on my mom's horse. This horse was given to her by my uncle just before he left for Vietnam. I tried to get some information on it from him, but he doesn't remember even getting it for her. But it did mean a lot to my mother, and so it's one of the few things that I got from her after her passing. So I am so happy at the way this thing is, the RV's turning out. Like I said, there's a lot of my curtains. Yes, I love my curtains. I think that's why it's staying so warm, as I got this closed up. But I love my Christmas tree. I love the way the lights change on that. The other stuff aren't like the battery died on my little snowman right there. I know you can barely see it. The battery died, and I haven't replaced it. But it's like, there's like fog on the window. Ooh, there's snow down there. Okay. I know you probably can't see it all. It's too dark up there. But I'm sitting out here editing. So I'm staying out here for a little bit. But I'm by myself. I didn't bring the pets out. Probably should have brought Brutus. He would at least lay down and behaved himself. The cats would have been a different story. They're not really big on the transport between house and RV, so I don't want to do that too often. Oh, and I am having another issue with it, with the RV. Sorry, I've got some stuff up there to deal with. My emergency coffee. I know I've shown you all this stuff before, but like I said, I'm out here. It's you know, I work nights, so I'm up at night, and I'm just having a good old time out here trying. Sorry, because everything's coming along. So I'm hoping my freezer. Those are my frozen beef patties. Got ice building up on the back, so that's still working. I will have to figure out, because my check light is on. I am running off of shore power right now, so it is running off electricity. But when I refilled the propane, because it completely ran out, I noticed that, which could be a couple of things. One is that I am really, really unlevel. I need to find a place to put that candle. It can't go behind the stove. That's just there for now. And my mess. So, figure out what I'm going to do with that. The Berkey's in the sink for now. It's just I don't have water hooked up right now. I got gallons of water there. Just when I need it, like to make coffee and stuff like that. But we are coming along. Stove. One thing I did notice, I am going to have to find a way to cover this vent behind the microwave and the stove, because when you open this up, this here, it is freezing inside of here. I'm trying to figure out where exactly it's coming in, but I'm assuming it's coming through that hole right there, which is where the vent for the stove and the microwave are. So hopefully we'll figure that out. Getting cold. But it looks like right now, my map, I can't wait till I can start filling that in. Sorry, so I want to show you something. This is a box of Dominoes that the previous owner left. Sorry, I'm just looking to figure out. Oh, I was saying, sorry, I'm rambling. I am having an issue with something is draining the engine battery. Trying to figure out what that is. I did find a switch up above the, I don't know if these lights will be enough. We'll see. I could probably try these lights. But while I was doing this, I noticed I have a switch right there. And it says antenna booster, and it was on. So I don't know. I have to charge the battery again, which I'll be doing probably not till Wednesday, because that's my next day off. I go to work tomorrow night, and I'm usually, after 12 hours on shift, I'm not real eager to do anything other than sleep. So anyway, thought I'd post a little bit more here. Thank you for watching. Remember, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. And leave comments. That'll really help support my channel. Even if it's just great job. I don't like what you did. I don't care. And give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Preferably a thumbs up. And thank you for watching my videos.